Hey guys, Jarrett here, and I got this charger to review. And this charger is pretty sweet. So instead of charging the Manscaped 5.0 with the USB-C, you can use this nice sleek charger to charge it by just placing this right on the inside. It comes with the power brick right here, and then it comes also with a 4-foot long USB-A to USB-C power cord. So that's awesome because in our bathroom, our power cord is pretty far away from the sink. So I can use this to thread the charger and have it go all the way to my side. To plug this in, you're just gonna plug this right here on the back. Then you can either plug this into your outlet or plug it into the brick. So we'll do that. And then we'll plug this in right here. And then you'll see automatically that this is starting to charge right here on this side. So while this is in here, it's going to charge. It's perfect. So when you go to take it out, you'll see that it stops. And as soon as you pop it right back in, you'll see that it will start right back up. This is water resistant, not waterproof. Water does get on this because this is a waterproof device. There is a little hole here on the bottom so that water will just drain right out of it. So now, of course, don't submerge this, but water will drain out so that way it can be taken care of. This does have some non-slip right here on the bottom, and it's really easy to clean off. Just take a cloth and wipe it down. Don't use anything that's too serious on it. Don't use like bleach or don't use any harsh chemicals. Just wipe it down so that it's nice and clean, and then you're good to go. But I mean, this is really just plug and play. It takes care of everything that we need to take care of in a nice looking charger. So I would definitely recommend this. I'd say check this out.